Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl Choreo here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this hair video, I am continuing my carnival prep for Trinidad Carnival 2023. But if you're watching this sometime in the future, you're still good because the movie is still relevant. If you're new to my channel, I am, as I said, Choreo, government name Christina Gonzalez. I'm a licensed physiotherapist, a personal trainer, and a sensual dance workshop facilitator. Meaning I teach women how to tap into their sexy feminine flow, tap into that good feminine energy. Yes, girl, that's me. Alright, my carnival queens, so last week we did push-up whining. I did it both on the floor and gravity eliminated modified version against the wall. We also did some twisting of the hips to get that bumper up and heights up and ready for action. Here I am doing it walking forward. And then of course we got into jiggling, and no summer I have to get into the jiggle. So we did it on the floor, we did it spread legged. Alright my babies, okay my girls, okay my queens. The next one is another hardish one. I say hard-ish. It's not as hard as push-up whine because you're not pushing up, right? But you are managing your body weight a little bit more than the last two dance moves that I showed you. So it's gonna be a dancehall inspired movement, but here's how it looks. So if you're on the floor, all you're doing is you're making circles with your body, right? So it does require upper body strength, right? I'm not gonna lie. But I'm giving you options, babies. I'm giving you options, okay? So if you're here, oh, Jesus. So if you're here, I'm gonna go to carnival hell. So, so here it goes. You go under and up. So you're making a circle with your body. Let's do 4. Under, up, 2, and basically how much the difference between here and here depends on how strong and how much endurance you have in your muscles. So let's go 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I'm on the floor, it's kind of hard to do it standing. I'm literally just winding around like this. That's what I'm doing. That's literally what I'm doing. And if I was to turn back way, this is what I'm doing. Around. It's big, emphasized, exaggerated winds. If I was to put my hands on the wall, give the wall that 50%, you go around. It's a little harder on the wall actually. 3, 4. All right, so let's try that again. And I'm gonna give you like a variation that you can do if and only if you have the upper body strength. Okay, don't go crazy in the DMs. I'm giving you options. 3, let's go on the floor. 3, 2, 1. Around. 2, 3, 4. And then a variation would be to go around in a circle, but I feel like if I do this, I may get cut off of the camera. So I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna plant my feet in about the center here, and then hopefully you can make out what I'm doing. So here we go. You come up, and all you're gonna be doing is going around like this. Bring the hands together, around, bring the hands together, around, hands together, and then you keep adjusting the feet. They're like little adjustments of the feet that are made, right? I'm gonna go back the other direction. So here we go. Here, 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 here. And then you just complete it, and that's how you do that one. So that one is definitely a dancehall dance move. So you can use that when you're on the road. All right, I'm giving you options, babies. So next one. All right, my girls. So the final one is really easy, really very easy. All you're doing on all 4s is this. Here, 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 here. And the beauty about this movement is that when you bring the legs in, it gives you a nice sexy BBL back there like so. Pull it in and you drop it. In, drop it. So if I was to do this against the wall and give the wall my 30%, it would look like this. If I do it to this side, giving the wall 50%, I'm gonna do it slowly. It's here. In, back down. In, back down. In, back down. And my feet, ever so slightly, it's a little difficult here because I have so many grooves in this, so I can't do this with the feet as much as I'd like to, but it's literally a movement like that. So because the feet are turning like that, see what happens when my hands turn like that? My hip or my shoulder turns in and pushes, for example, let's just say my elbow is my butt, pushes the elbow back, up. It pushes it back and up. And then when I turn the feet back out, it pushes it down. So then you get a movement that looks like this. Up, 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 up. Almost like if we're doing what I like to call the African juke, which is simply here. Right? So slow motion, here, down, here, down. And so if I was to take this to the floor, this is what that would look like. 3, cock it up, bend the knees, shorten the space so it's not too far back, shorten it. 3, 2, 1. Right? And if I turn my back, it goes like this. Oh my God. So the answer is yes, you can do that on a partner. Actually, you can do all of these with a partner as long as you can sustain yourself. Some of these guys will get absolutely crazy, so you have to be careful with them. That's why I say always be aware of your surroundings. But if, for example, Mr. Jamaica Flag, hey honey, was my partner, right? And you get down, and don't do this with somebody. Oh, I know I can't tell you don't do this with somebody that you don't know, because at Carnival we get crazy. I know, ladies. I know, I'm guilty. I know. Save your hair, right? It's here. And you don't want to be hitting back too hard, because at the end of the day, yes, it's a man or it's a woman, whatever you're into. They are human beings. They're not walls. So even if you practice against a wall and you do it really hard against a wall, you want to try to make your booty soft so you're not hitting them down. You're not hurting up the gems. You understand what I'm saying? I'm both male and female. You don't want to be doing it too hard. So even though the legs are working, you want to be nice and sensual and sexy. All right? And it's like a lift up, sit down, lift up, sit down. And hopefully they have the sense to relax their knees and kind of give you like a little cushion, a little seat. You know what I mean? Yes. So again, 3, 2, 1, and hey. And if I come to the front and do that, this is what it looks like. 3, 2, 1. Here, 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 here. Look back at it. Hey, hey, hey. Grab his hand, make him hold your waist, and hey, hey. I'm too old for this shit. All right, guys, so we have done push-up whine, we've done the twist on all fours, we've done this juke one that we just did, we've done the jiggle, 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 and we've done the dancehall circles, the rotations around the world. I hope this Bruk-Out walk up on the road video was helpful for you. Comment below, let me know how you're preparing for Trinidad Carnival or whichever carnival you have this year, but these videos are specific to Trinidad Carnival because girls, we got some work to do, right? So take this entire week, babies, and try to do this to the best of your ability. Next week, we have some more shaking craziness for you. Walk up on the road with Christina.